Hey folks, you guys have a window lock or a window latch that's like this? The idea is for you to push it in so you can open the door, and then it's supposed to stay there. And then open it so that when you open the bottom window, it hits it. Okay, but sometimes these things are broken. Right, so I'm going to show you how to install these things, and then I'll show you where I got them from. There you go. My son helping me there. I'm going to grab this. It's broken already, so I'm just going to rip it right up. Okay, that's all. It's held on by these two little tabs there. Right, and a new one towards the couch, and the new one just slides right on. It's got a cut on my finger. All right, and snap right in. And that's it. Remember how the operation is? That little tiny square opens it and then it locks it. All right, that's it. We're all done. Thanks for watching. Ciao. And here's the company I got it from, Swisco. You know how I found it? I took a picture of the latch, put it on Google Lens, and they found the company for me. Google Lens is great. If you don't understand or where to get something, take a picture of it. Google Lens would identify it, and they'll throw you a couple of places that are a possibility that I could sell it. Okay? They're not 100% correct, because some of the locks that they sent me did not look like the same lock. But right here, Swisco, ordered it, $5 each. Ciao.